Hey everybody, Empire here. Today I've got some ribs. I cooked these in the Instant Pot and then, well, actually mine's a Chefman pressure cooker if you've seen my videos from before. It's cooking some chicken broth right now. But earlier I got these ribs set up with some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic on the outside, just a real basic rub, and stuck them in the pressure cooker for 22 minutes, took them out, put some barbecue sauce on there and threw it on the smoker, sitting at maybe 280 to 320 degrees I would estimate. I didn't measure it this time because I don't really care. Threw some apple wood on top there to get that nice smoke going until it looked good, and then based some more barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce I use is from BBQPitBoys.com. Shout out to them. This is their bourbon, their maker's mark or whatever, bourbon whiskey barbecue sauce. It's pretty good, and you can see here, you know, if my thing will focus, nice and tender, not dry, overcooked at all. The meat, you know, real tender. You just pull it off with your fingers like that, dip it in some more sauce. I'm gonna take a taste here. Oh yeah, that's real good. Not up to par, I would say, with the whole, you know, 6 or 8 hour, however long it normally takes to cook these on the smoker by traditional smoking methods, but for a 3 hour total cook time or so, these do the trick. You know, you can take your Instant Pot or pressure cooker and cook your ribs and then finish them up in the broiler, and they're real good. But it's real hard to get that smoke flavor. That apple wood really just makes these things come alive and makes you think twice. You could probably serve these to people and not even tell them they only spent a couple hours on the grill or the smoker at that. And then lastly, you know, here's a potato salad right there. 2 pounds of potatoes, 1 small yellow onion, about 3 to 3.5 stalks of celery, a cup of mayo, vegan mayo. It's probably a little too much for some people. Maybe a teaspoon, half a teaspoon or so of paprika, salt, pepper to taste. Before you put all that sauce on with the mayo and the mustard, oh yeah, probably about half a cup of mustard. I like mustard. Teaspoon of paprika. Oh, what else did I put in there? Anyway, that's kind of what we're looking at with that. Put the white wine vinegar, about a tablespoon, on those potatoes and let it soak in before you mix your mustard and mayo and relish. Oh, there's about 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of relish in there too. Mix the mustard, mayo, and relish together, and then put it on top of this mixture with all the veggies and the potatoes and eggs, and mix it up real good. These are russet potatoes, by the way. I know this isn't a very good video. I wasn't planning on making it, but everything turned out real good, so I'm just trying to document it so I can maybe do it again and do a better video. In the meantime, you know, try and do some nice shots here of what kind of ribs you can make in a short amount of time with a pressure cooker and a smoker combination. Again, I used a kettle grill from Weber to do this with indirect heat, but there's probably other methods of doing it. Not perfect, but it definitely came out good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these up and eat them. Thanks for watching. One Empire signing off. Like and subscribe.